Our next performer is here to indicate a time in King's life that nobody talks about, his depression. King suffered with severe depression and kept it a secret in fear people will use it against him. We're here to educate you guys, and we have to educate you guys about everything. Please give it up for Chanel.
Do you ever see someone think, wow, God must hate me? 'Cause he spent so much time on them, and for me he got lazy. Got ample mental illness, personality flaws, when their only flaw seems to be that they have none at all. Do you ever see someone think he hates me? I'll let him take accountability for everything that's wrong with me. Can't hold myself responsible, so I blame the metaphysical. If Jesus died for all our sins, he left one behind, the body I'm in. Same hands that made the moon and the stars, got carpool tunnel and forgot some parts. I don't know what I believe, but it's easy to think he made a mistake with me. Do you ever see someone and think, wow, they got lucky? The craftsmanship of their bones, the brain and their body. When I look into the mirror for too long, it hurts. They don't count how many steps it takes to burn off this earth. Do you ever see someone and think, wow, they got lucky? I'll let them take accountability for everything that's wrong with me. Can't hold myself responsible, so I blame the metaphysical. If Jesus died for all our sins, he left one behind, the body I'm in. Same hands that made the moon and the stars, got carpool tunnel and forgot some parts. I don't know what I believe. It's just easy to think he made a mistake with me. Do you ever see someone and think, wow, God must hate me? 'Cause he spent so much time on them, and for me he got lazy.